Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of international development of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. Today we're going to continue our conversation with our international lawyer Peter about registering a new company in Russia. Hello Peter.
Hello Michael.
Peter, what should a founder of a new LLC do when the company has been registered in order to start business activity?
Well, it may be necessary for an LLC to make a seal. It depends on whether the charter contains such provisions that there is a seal in the company. But this requirement has been abolished, and you can choose to do or not to do a seal. Many companies choose to do because it's a traditional way, and some obstacles may arise when company doesn't have a seal, because, for example, in the bank they can require a seal to be used in order to get an account to make payments.
Okay, so what are the first necessary steps in order to get your new company started?
Well, the executive body have to employ himself, and by the way, it's the only worker of the company that can be employed without salary.
Okay.
It could be useful if there is no other employees, and if the head of the company doesn't get paid for his work, the company wouldn't make financial reports to the funds. After that, the executive body must appoint the chief accountant. He can employ another person, or he can assign these obligations to himself. It is necessary because in bank forms of the payment order, there must be two signatures of the head of the company and of the chief accountant.
Yeah.
So the chief accountant must be appointed.
Okay, Peter, and what about bank account? How can a new company obtain it?
Well, you need to choose the bank you want to open an account in. Every bank has its own list of required documents and forms of the documents you need to fill in. It is contracts, and it is application you need to fill in, and other documents that usually banks demand as constituent documents, you name it, and of course documents that confirm that you have rights to operate in a certain location. And after you've done this step and submit documents to the bank, they will have an interview with the head of the company and the chief accountant, where they will inquire them what they are going to do, what business activities they will carry out, and so on. And after that, they will check your company on any illegal activities, and they will most likely make check of your office in order to confirm that you do business there, that there is documents, there is workers working there. And when you get through all these checks, the bank account will be opened, and you can operate, do trade, and participate in business and pay taxes through your bank account.
Perfect. Peter, thank you so much. I believe that this video will be very useful to the new businessman who would like to open and start a business in Russia.
My pleasure.
And I would like to thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to Braiden Consulting YouTube channel.